10 of the secret installations of the Iranian government and their reasons. 1. Fordow fuel enrichment plant located deep underground. This facility is used for enriching uranium for nuclear purposes. 2. Parchin military complex suspected to be used for developing nuclear weapons. This site is heavily guarded and restricted from inspections. 3. Lavazan Shian. This former nuclear research site was demolished in 2004, raising concerns about Iran's nuclear ambitions. 4. Shahid Himad Industrial Group. This site is involved in missile production and testing, contributing to Iran's missile program. 5. Natanz Uranium Enrichment Facility. Another key site for uranium enrichment. This facility has been a major point of contention in international negotiations. 6. Imam Khomeini Space Center. This site is used for Iran's space program, but has also raised concerns about the country's ballistic missile capabilities. 7. Karaj Nuclear Research Center. An important nuclear research facility. This site plays a key role in Iran's nuclear development. 8. Bushehr Nuclear Power Plant. This facility is Iran's first nuclear power plant, providing electricity but also raising concerns about nuclear proliferation. 9. Shahid Mahalati Complex. Involved in missile production and testing. This site adds to Iran's missile capabilities. 10. Kojir Missile Base. This underground ballistic missile facility plays a key role in Iran's military strategy and deterrence capabilities.